My gosh, this is so dirty, the world. Look at this, today is American tornado. All American people is good from the Christ working in the government, but American people is 100 pupils is going to save. Mga ilan lang taong makakapasok sa kingdom. So million people in America is going to hell. Celebrity is not going to heaven, is going to hell. Sports, Olympic, MPE, businessman, all. Alam mo naman kung sino lang makakapasok sa heaven, yung mga member ng religion. Kahit na pastor going to hell. Philippines. Sa sexual sa Philippines, walang makakapasok ng heaven. Ako lang mag-isa. Dito kasi, I am miracle to the Philippines because Philippines is reaching from the God in all nation. So without from this is living to me and living the Christ, forget these people. This is a new thing. This is Filipino is a new thing and stupidest. Hindi ba kayo nahihiya? At tingnan nyo nga sila. It's therefore but just rich man and government on the demonic Lucifer power in the conquest government. But all religions problem. Hindi, ang feeling kasi nila, pag nampalataya sila at mag-work sila sa Christ, ay makakapasa sila. Hindi yon. It's not the purposes. It's the purposes is what is problem to the word of boil in you believe in the Christ. Ako believe ako kasi tinawag ako ng Christ to miracle. That yun pinaglalaban ko sa earth in this revelation. Again, the sexual based first miracle in the Bible. In this, my age. So, ano sila? Japan, Indonesia, Malaysia, UK, London, Canada, Australia, Italy, Roma, Jerusalem, all the rich country is Christ's email, but many people is not going to heaven. Iilan lang. So siguro mga Japan, mga tatlo, Korea apat, Indonesia 10, London siguro mga hundreds people, or UK, Canada, or mga 100 people. It's just a very big problem. Sa Jerusalem, madami Israel kasi, for he's not hindi sila masyadong explore sa sexual and morality to individual about the government. Masyado silang religious, kaya mas malaki ang masisave sa kanila. For Germany, Russia, Italy, Brazil, yung mga million talaga ang people na pupunta sa impyerno. Ilan lang. I worry all over the billion million people around the people and working is not the same. Tapos ngayon, wala kayong ginagawa. You're just ignoring to me about online forever, but what happened to the world war train and time. Kung ako sa inyo, mag-repent na kayo people. Baguhin nyo na yan. Kasi, it's too late. Hindi mo naman alam kung kailan ka mamamatay. Basta darating sa iyo yan. Who knows but I respect the word about your body pound on earth. The people is partying on you because you are dead. Goodbye. Ganon ang batas sa mundo eh. Pag ikaw nabubuhay, success. Pero pag ikaw patay na, tapos na lahat sa'yo. Kaya, yun ang mangyayari sa earth na to. Kaya don't fall fair to me about a with an online person. The online to me you are living, know my dire still. Because you're growing homeless and darkness. Lahat ng sexual sa Amerika, walang makakapasok ng heaven. Canada, Indonesia, Malaysia. Ako lang sa heaven ang may history. This is Philippines problem as evil because sexuality is very fit. Mga transgender, di ba? Yung mga nagpaparetoke, hindi na sila tangkap sa Panginoon at wala na silang flesh of Christ. Ibig sabihin, yung mga nagpapakasal ng mga bakla, ng mga tumboy sa kapwa nila, wala na silang place. Hindi na sila tinatanggap ng Christ. Kumbaga, tinakwil na sila kasi yun ang pinili nila eh. Future of love and home is not Christ. Kaya And your father, you're losing life and rich, over the money and over the full filthy and earth, because the Lucifer is given, and speak to the Lucifer to the Satan the word, because our people is believing the Christ. The Satan is immediately give the people is rich, changing others our material world. Hindi mo makikita ang nag-change sa ating material, mobile phone, laptop, all changes building project. Yan, si Satan nagbibigay niyan. Hindi binibigay ng Christ yan. Mamamatay ka for just the last day, for this earth in the beginning before your soul. Hindi nagbibigay. Ayaw ng God na mayaman na tao na makakapasok sa heaven. Hirap sila makapasok because she's fried on the hell is not a Lord. Kaya pinagpipilitan yung sarili nyo, mga tao. Kung ako sa inyo maririnig yung speech na to, mag-suicide na lang kayo kaysa pangalantakan nyo sa buong mundo, you are God. You are not. You are inuted, spoken, harassed to about your pride and stupidness, your equal. Follow to my channel. Hindi kita tinatakoy mapunta sa impyerno. Sinasabihan ko lang kayo at pinagwawarningan ko kayo because you're delivered to Miss Inner. The power is your feeling, but you are not a Lord.